Number 5, you're going to be fired if you file bankruptcy, or you're going to lose your job. So I'm going to address this myth in 2 ways. The first one, I'm just going to give you some practical advice. In addition to being an attorney, I'm an employer. I employ a number of people that work with me to help me represent the clients that come to us for assistance. We've got a great team of people. I know when somebody that I work with is under stress. I know when they're unable to sleep at night, when they may be having marital problems, and I can tell you that that particular employee is not going to be able to do their best job if they're dealing with stress and anxiety. And if they're behind on their bills, if they can't make their mortgage payment, if they can't make their car payment, they're not going to be able to do a good job at work. On the other hand, if they seek bankruptcy protection and they get things under control and they can get that stress alleviated, they're going to be a much better employee. And I can tell you from talking to many, many, many people over the years that that's the perception of most employers. There are also laws that say that an employer cannot discriminate against an employee because that employee has sought bankruptcy protection. But again, I'm going to tell you just from my experience, having represented individuals for the last several decades in Alabama and Mississippi, very, very, very few people have any problems with employment, either during or following a bankruptcy proceeding. The problems, if they have them, are before they get help, before they reach out for assistance, when they're going through the stress and the anxiety and just the pressure that not being able to pay your bills can have. So don't let that keep you from seeking advice. That's a myth. Bankruptcy in just about every situation is only going to have a positive impact on your ability to do a good job at work and to maintain your employment.